Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Countif Formula in your data. So stay tuned and watch till the end. In this simple example, I have different columns from the different schools and there are student results. So what I would like to see, the number of the count of past students in each column. So I would use the Countif formula. It starts with is equal to Countif, and the first one, click this one, and it's showing you what to select. First, it's asking me to select the range in which I want to count the number of past students. For example, I would like to see the number of past students in this column. I will select this one, then press comma. Second one is criteria. What is my criteria? So I would just to select the criteria cell and then fix it. So in case your criteria change, so formula will always go back to the reference cell. And then close of bracket, press enter. Now you can see it's showing me the count of 5. There are 5 students which are passed in this school 1. And if I want to see the rest of the school results, so I will just drag from the bottom and it will copy formula for me. The second one is 5, third one is 7, and again fourth one is 5. So this formula basically works on the condition you defined. So for example, if I want to see the past students in all the schools, so what I would use, I would see Countif Countif. Now I will select the whole range. I will select this whole range and then comma, and then select my reference cell, my criteria cell, press F4 and then close of bracket, press enter. Now you can see there are total 22 students which are passed in all these schools. Formula is on this side, is equal to sum if start of bracket, range and criteria. So this is how this conditional formula works. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.